starting with the Poco Loco. Poco Loco has existed before, but it just got a remodel. And I honestly don't remember what the Poco Loco was like. I think Kayla, you skated it.
I'm pretty sure it was actually closed last year, and it might have been closed the year before that too, like at the time.
Yeah, I think maybe the year before it was open, but I don't know. I remember it was both of our first. Well, it wasn't your first year, but it was your first year as a coach, and we were
I don't recall what the old Poco Loco was like, honestly.
Yeah, so
I don't remember it.
It's exciting. We are so excited to check it out. But let's see. We got access to this video, and it's all outdoors. Ooh, okay, so that bump to rail.
The A-frame rail.
That's nice. It doesn't look too high. Maybe I'll climb it. Ooh, that ledge.
I love that little like mini down ledge and all the little rails.
Yeah, see, it's like not too scary. It's a good place to begin.
Oh, there's like a ride-on rail. That looks so
cool.
fun. I love that. That's kind of like the one that's on the pump track, except for it's probably like easier to access. Little gap to jump over.
And that's like a good little like transition to learn how to drop in.
Yeah, definitely like rolling down banks. You could even like hit that ledge, go over that bank. I feel like you could make a lot of good lines here. Okay,
Dude,
pole jam. We have a pole jam.
Damn pole, if you're not looking. Death. Immediate death.
And a bump to box. Oh my god, yay!
Ooh, that's I wonder how big that is. It looks like 2 feet? Maybe?
I think it's 3 feet. It's on the Woodward website under facilities. It has like a little bit more detail about it.
That's a perfect one to learn how to stall.
Yeah, well, usually everyone's crammed into the art park, the mini back there, so.
Like we mentioned earlier, if you are not on the lookout for this, you could miss it. I feel like it's hidden behind the cabins, right? It's not like right by the hangar.
Yeah. It's a little bit towards the back. But it looks so fun.
So smooth. Look at that.
Great for a beginner street, beginner skate park. There's a mini spine, a micro spine.
Oh, that's a spine right there?
Yeah, that's really cool. And there will be some spine classes.
Heck yeah.
At that spine. It's much less intimidating than the one in the hangar.
Yeah, the one in the hangar, you're in like, 5 foot?
Yeah, I think it's like 5 or 6 feet.
Yeah, pretty deep. Scary to
yeah, I'm stoked for that.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain.
Interesting.
If it does rain, it has happened before, but usually all the classes that we have scheduled for, we usually have a backup location. And now that we have more space, it'll be nice. But we are going to knock on wood, hope it doesn't rain. And if it does, it's not the worst thing. It's happened before.
The Poco Loco looks like the dream skate park for me personally, because it's just full of ledges, rails, tiny fun stuff.
And it's like big enough to where you don't feel like you're in each other's way when someone's trying to plan a line.
Yeah, I like how it's set up. The flow, I feel like the flow will be good. Definitely a great place for like learning how to roll down banks.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah.
There's a spine and there's like a little bump next to it too. Yeah, wow, look at that big quarter in the back.
Mm-hmm.
So much room for activities.
You jumped on your first rail at Woodward? Not your first rail, but you jumped on a rail at Woodward last year?
No, but not like a big rail, but I did jump on some pretty big down ledges.
That's what it was.
Yeah. Some pretty big down ledges in the hangar.
Ooh, that's going to be probably what I'm going to go for this year.
Yeah, you got that. Like warm it up in Poco Loco, and then take it to the hangar. Or even the junction has some good down ledges that are like in between.
Where's the junction again?
It's the one that has the bird bath bowl, like right in front of the plaza in the hangar.
Oh, yeah.
The other cement park.
Gotcha. I also have, this year.
That park is like pretty popular.
Explore. Okay.
Once you see it, you're like, oh yeah.
So Poco Loco got a beautiful makeover. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try all these new things. And yeah, I feel like I've definitely been practicing more street than transition lately. So I'm excited to try out all my new tricks on this spot.
Yeah, I'm excited too. And I'm also really excited to try some of my street tricks in the smaller transitions, like the smaller bowls that they have.
Yes, exactly. Because
They're
as
less
soon as like,
intimidating.
yeah, as soon as you're on a bowl that's like over 4 feet, I feel like any trick, you're like baby deer all over again. So
100%, yeah.
starting with a little transition like 3 foot is always so nice.
Yeah, the bowl in there looks so fun.
Wow.
I'm excited.
Yeah, and if you're there, make sure to catch the sunrise. It's so worth it. I definitely try to catch it every year. It's nice and like foggy and misty in the morning.
And if you catch a sunrise, you get to mark it off your bingo card. So if you're wondering what that's all about, there will be like a link or QR code for you guys to see the bingo card with all the camp activities, things you can do off skates or in between classes, just like fun extras.
Keep an eye out for the schedule and the map, especially if it rains. Just keep an eye out on the schedule.
Cool beans.
Yeah, I'm so stoked.
Giddy up, Cowboys.
Each year just gets better and better.